Quilt Nation, Cool Marine here. So, option number 9,972,000. Look, all right, so all right, so we change it again. All right. The thing about these French rails is that it's got so many ways you can go. Look, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna get out of here. Okay, so we're gonna go with 3 blocks across. Right. I'm gonna sash it. Then I'll go 6. Then maybe I'll sash it again. Maybe. And then maybe go 2, all right, just to get a breakup going. Notice that, look at that, look what's hanging on the wall. We need chimes at this part right here. Okay. So look, yeah, so we're gonna sash this, okay? I'm gonna move on. I know I told you last time when we come back you see it sash, but this thing has the fence rod. There's so many ways you can go with this. That's what makes it so fun, so easy. Because look, I mean, you don't have to go horizontal. You could turn them vertical, right? And go up and down, right? That's what makes this great. That's what makes this such a fun block to play with, all right? But I'm having too much fun with it, so we're gonna get out of here, all right? And so I'm gonna close this down, I think, or maybe we'll come back with the 10 millionth option. I'm not sure. But I love this block, all right? I know it shouldn't be taking this long, but I'm having so much fun with it, okay? Every time I look at it, I'm like, oh man, maybe I should go this way. Oh man, I should go this way. And that's what makes it so great. I love this block, okay? Um, so let's talk about something a little more serious. The Bernina Q20. Who has one? Please let me know if you have one, okay? I want to bring my mistress home, but my mistress costs way too much, okay? And I've actually been looking at other options for mid arms because, you know, I, I can't, I can't validate getting a machine that costs more than my GT350. That's just not going to happen, okay? Although I have considered trading in my GT350 for a machine, and my wife is like eyebrow raising. But last night, my wife, and I don't know, and maybe a drunken stupid asked me, "Are you ready for a new machine?" So me playing the guy that I am, like, "Oh no, I'm okay, I'm okay." But in the back of my mind, I was like, "Oh yeah, it's time for a new machine." But I'm not giving up my brother. Okay, I love my brother. I wish brother came out with a mid arm. I'm like a butcher shop dog. You know, when you treat me right, I'm loyal forever. I wish brother had a mid arm. I would go to it immediately, but they don't. So there are options. And I was looking at the Handy Quilter Capri. That's one. The FOF 16. That's another. Um, and my queen, the love of my life, the being a Q20. Though, but the price differences are so vast. And the one thing that I love about the Q20, well, one of the many things about the sexiness of the Q20 that I love is that they have a table that is that you can raise electronically. I'm not a sit-down quilter; I'm a stander, and the sit-down option is not an option for me. And if the other companies had that, I would go to that immediately, but they don't. And like the beast that Bernina is, they thought of everything, and they thought of people like me who don't sit down and quilt. I love to stand, and that table goes high, and I love it, and it goes to a perfect height for me. It's leading the way. Okay, so if you're out there and you have a Q20, let me know what you think about it. If you have a FOF 16, let me know what you think. If you have the Capri, I've even thought about, look, so don't tell anybody. I've even thought about the Handy Quilter Sweet 16. Don't tell anybody though, all right? Believe me, when I got the 16 home, Sweet 16, I'm gonna camo it up and butch it up real good, okay? But I looked at that too, all right? It's not like these companies are creating the Jarhead 20 or anything like that, so I have to roll with it. But if you have it, let me know, and I'll weigh my options. Seriously, weigh my options. Okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.